You are rare. Many people can't work you out. You may not say much, but you sense the room. You pick up on energy. So you know when to maneuver and when to keep still. People can't work you out. People want to know what your next move is going to be. And they anticipate what you're going to do next. And you always shock them. Those doubters, those haters that want you to be stagnant. But you keep moving forward and they are wondering, how do you do it? And they break their own heart by trying to break yours. Because every time they try to outsmart you, you always win. It's ridiculous to even try and go up against someone like you. It's pointless. These individuals feel like they are playing a game with you. They play snakes and ladders while you play chess. And the thing is, you're focused on your own life, so you have already won. They're trying to catch up with you. They try and ten and sword you, but they can't. They can't read your energy. They feel like you're sneaky, but you're not. You're just not stooping to their level. They can't outsmart you. And it makes them feel extremely frustrated. They don't understand how you hold so much power, elegance, class, grace. Your energy is pristine, untainted. They want to taint you. They can't. They want to learn you. They're confused. They often think, how can I get them off balance? You can't. The more they try and make you off balance, the more unbalanced their mind starts to become. Their life starts to become. They've never encountered a soul like yours before. And for some of you, they're fearful. They don't want to encounter a soul like yours again. Because these individuals may have tried to turn a sword you and it led to extreme tower moments soon after. Maybe not immediately. And now they're fearful, they're scared. Who are you? Where did you come from? What type of being are you? You have spirit and your ancestors on your side, my darling. You are a whole army all on your own. You don't even have to lift a finger. Anyone that dare comes around you or tries you, it's picked up in the spiritual and it's dealt with. The tower. You are regal, powerful, fearless, unapologetic. Even in your silence, your power echoes. When you are upset, your soul cries to other realms and they quickly come to aid you to take care of the problem. You may have many people that are jealous of you. You trigger them. They're insecure. They're fearful of your success or where you're about to go. So they feel like if they can throw you off, it will pull a spanner in your works as to what you want to achieve. But when they realize that you are still going global, for some of you, I started there because some of you are like, no, I don't want people to know what I do. I don't want to be famous. Some of you are going to be famous in whatever field that you are in. Some of you are going to be famous worldwide, famous online, famous in whatever community you belong to, famous at work, famous for your skills and your talents though, not just being famous for famous sake. They feel drained, disheveled. My plan didn't work. No, fool, sit down and learn. These individuals are your understudies. They're obsessed with you, always watching your next move, wanting to be as relevant as you, wanting to be as sought after as you. Many people want to be all up in your energy. They may claim that they don't like you, but they can't keep their eyes off you. You are exciting. They are chaotic. You are hardworking. They are obsessed. You are a pioneer. They are a follower. You are going to be a leader in whatever position you are in, and they know it. A talent like yours has never, ever been seen before and will never be seen again. They will be blocked, and you